Hello everyone, welcome to the Centrale Culinaire channel. I'm Chef Maurín. I'm the owner and chef of the Centrale Culinaire. I'm a local and seasonal chef, so I work with very small scale farms. And so one of my favorite vegetables in the spring, which is now, is to, eat fiddleheads. Fiddleheads are beautiful. I'm from Mexico. I've never had them in Mexico, so it's a very northern climate vegetable. I don't know what to call it. Vegetable, fruit, yeah. Anyway, so fiddleheads are beautiful, as you can see. These plants are delicious, very good for you, and very, very easy to forage. So if you ever get a chance, do it. You must always clean them. That's the one thing that it's a technique that you just want to do. You want to clean them because they have a lot of little furry, like a little hair. And one of the things you want to do is get rid of that hair. And you also have to cook them and boil them. This will actually make them a little bit more tender. Doesn't matter what recipe you make, if you're going to clean them, blanch them, and then roast them, it doesn't matter. You always have to blanch them before you cook them, no matter in what recipe. So, these are the babies. So we have lots of little, beautiful, different sizes, different kinds, and they're all very beautiful. Now, for cleaning, it's recommended to soak a few times and change the water occasionally. Maybe 3 or 4 washes until your water is clear. But you can tell that it's less furry than the first ones we had. So that means that it's been soaked. So it's recommended washing it 3 or 4 times. Just, get that grind off. And then once they're ready, you're gonna strain them. So you always wanna strain them, get rid of the last tiny little bit of hair that comes out. And with the beautiful washed fiddleheads, we can actually now blanch them. So I'm going to put them in salted water. 7 minutes is the preferred choice. While we're waiting for the fiddleheads, we're going to start getting ready to prepare the vinaigrette. That vinaigrette has only a few ingredients. It's very nice, simple. You have your own lemons. Then we have some nice olive oil. I always like organic, again, olive oil. You can also use any other oil that you like. I like the flavor of the olive oil with fiddleheads. I'm also using a nice Quebec, it's Ontario garlic. So beautiful garlic, and it tastes delicious. Now, the idea of this recipe is to keep it simple. So, do you like garlic? Do you like shallots? Choose your favorite. Sometimes I like, shallots in my vinaigrette. Sometimes I like garlic. So depends on your mood. We have also salt and pepper. We can never forget that. And I always put chili in my vinaigrettes. That's my secret weapon. So what we're going to do now is I'm gonna start making the vinaigrette. So we're going to squeeze all the lemon juice into the blender. So, quick recipe here, what we're doing. I would say they're about half a cup. No, it's a cup of cooked fiddleheads. And these lemons are pretty big. So, these are 3 big lemons. So if your lemons are small, maybe do 4 or 5. But, just try to get enough juice in there because, this is the best part also. You need acidity, you need oil. And I think fiddlehead is also a nice added flavor to your vinaigrette. Once you're done with the lemons, put them on your compost. And now we're gonna do the garlic. So beautiful garlic. I don't like too much garlic, so I'm just gonna go with 2 cloves. This is when you decide what you like. 2, 3, you wanna use shallots, completely up to you. So, just give them a nice little squeeze. Fairly easy to peel after that squeeze. I always like to cut the little hard pieces out. Now we have the olive oil ready on the side. We have salt, pepper, and peppers. And now we're just waiting for the fiddleheads to be cooked. 7 minutes have gone by. So the fiddleheads are finished And again, you strain them and let them cool off for a little bit. Okay, so now they've cooled down. Bring them into your food processor. I like food processor better for vinaigrettes because it does this movement. If you put them in the blender, it's just like, it gets muggy and it's not like, it doesn't process the same way. Like when you want a nice big knife cutting through your vegetables or whatever you put in your vinaigrette, it's nice to have a wider space. So always salt, you know, like a chef. Pepper like a chef. I don't know why I always say that. A nice pinch of peppers. I'm Mexican, so I always like a little extra. So don't forget, we put fresh organic lemon juice, and now it's the fiddleheads and a couple cloves of garlic. I'm just gonna run this and let it chop up. I just want to find a little bit of like the initial chopping. Take a look. Oh, yummy, yummy. So let it chop up a little bit. Let's see. Oh, yummy, yummy. So, a good idea, you know, take it down a little bit, give it some love, vinaigrette love. And again. And now, slowly, to integrate, you can add some olive oil. So, slow adding, you know, so you can choose how much you want. You know, I'm not gonna put the whole, I have like a whole cup of olive oil here. I'm probably not gonna use all of that. Ooh, yummy. It's looking delicious. Salad for dinner. So about 3/4 of what I had here. So 3/4 cup of olive oil. About a cup of fiddleheads. We had the lemon. Salt, pepper, chili. Very simple, only 3 or 4 ingredients. And you know, one of the secrets of a chef, of whatever they say, it's always taste your food. So, you know, taste it. Yummy. I'm gonna put more salt because I always like everything more salt. A little bit more pepper. I already tasted the olive oil, so I've stopped. At this point, you can also decide if you want more lemon juice. For me, I always like it very acidic, my vinaigrette, so I would put actually one more lemon. So here we go, 4 lemons. So now, once your vinaigrette is finished, as you can see, beautiful puree, you can put this on a delicious salad. So, you know, go to your local shop, buy some nice delicious local vegetables, you know, some tomatoes, some cucumbers, you know, make sure you get some nice greens. This vinaigrette will last in the fridge very happy 2 to 3 weeks, so don't be afraid to make a little extra. These are my favorite greens. I'm getting them from a farm in Montreal. It's a hydroponic farm. These are Asian greens and they are delicious. So, you know, maybe some chives, add some different things, maybe put some bok choy, anything that inspires you, and add it to your fresh salad. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and follow us. We're gonna be doing lots of videos, and we have lots of exciting chefs that work from here, so we're happy to share all the videos and all the fun stuff that everybody's making and doing here.